Here I have Macintosh PowerBook G3. Local elementary school was getting rid of them. Bunch of stuff, they were throwing it out, and I grabbed it in the box. And I'm going to open it up. Let's take a walk around this thing. We got some specs. Pretty old, pretty ancient. Yep. Surprised that the cardboard lasted this long. You know, people toss this stuff. But we have two laptops in here. Managed to grab both of them when they were tossing everything out. I have the accessory kit. Go through that in a minute. And cardboard slash a bunch of junk. Don't need that right now. Let's check out the accessory kit. What we got here, basic charger. Not the cool yo-yo one that the other iBook G3s had. We have modem, cable, phone line, more ancient history, some sort of S-video to, oh, one of these things. Yeah, that's handy. Play with that. Another modem cable. We have a VGA to some sort of parallel port thing. Unopened. I ain't opening it. Another one of these babies. And then we have software. OS X Fax STF 5.0. Now up to date. Bunch of stuff. I did actually do a clean install of OS 9 on one of these using this disk, and it worked just fine. And we have documentation, another one of these VGA deals. No need to open that up anymore. Pretty cool stuff. Pretty old. I love their old font. Reminds me of the old days. Proof of purchase coupons. Should mail one of these in and see what they do down at Cupertino, huh? Service and support guide. Ooh, AOL registry. Gonna have to check this out. 100 hours free. Service guide. Hard drive info. Software agreement. I didn't read it all when I installed. Boo-hoo. Technical info. A lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. Save this card for a Palm Pilot. Fancy. Last of all, troubleshooting handbook for Mac OS 8.5. So this is older than I thought. Focus. Focus. Yeah. Pretty cool. I'm gonna spin one of these up. First of all, let's take a walk around this thing. It's pretty heavy. CD drive. Cool little flippy thing. Pretty handy. Another flippy for that modem. Cool thing here would be where you can like take the drives out. This deal. Slide it out. Yank the drive. Slide it back. Also can slide out the battery on this side. Don't know if you could get 2 batteries in. That would be kind of cool, wouldn't it? Look at this charging cable. This brick. It's so small. I like it. It's not a gigantic monster. Alright, got the power in. Let's crack it open. Pretty solid hinge. I really like the black keyboard and the classic rainbow apple. It looks good. And let's power it up. See how long it takes to boot. Let's go. There it goes. It's taking a while. Pretty ancient compared to today's standards. I've been meaning to make a video of this find for a while, but I just didn't get around to it. And I don't know what to talk about while it boots. She's coming up almost there. I can hear that hard drive turning and spinning in there. Let's see what we have on the inside. Insane specifications. Not a lot of power here. Pretty good for back in the day. Anyway, thanks for checking it out. Pretty goofy little video. And see ya.